Welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how you can set a reduced rate or zero rate status for products on your WooCommerce store. Let's have a look at this checkout. So I've set my tax to be 20%. In the UK, we pay a sales tax called VAT, and that current rate is 20%. So any products that you sell you have to add that tax onto it. But there are certain classes of products which are either zero rate for VAT or pay a reduced rate. So examples of zero rated products are children's clothes, so you don't pay VAT on kids' clothes. A reduced rate product might be a child protective car seat that goes in the back of your car. The VAT on those fairly essential products are reduced. So understanding that you don't need to pay the full VAT on something that's going to save a kid's life. So you pay 5% VAT on those children's car seats. So there's various different types of zero and reduced rate VAT products. What I'm going to do is show you how to set up your top level VAT rates and then reduce them on a product by product basis. So let me jump over to the back end of my site. So what I've done is I've enabled tax calculations on my site. Let me just change this to GBP for the purposes of this VAT demo. So if we go to our tax settings, so I'm going to enter my product prices exclusive of tax and then have the checkout calculate those taxes. So I've got standard rate, reduced rate and zero rate. Let's look at the standard rate first of all. So anyone from GB, Great Britain, will pay 20% and that tax name is VAT. I've also set up a reduced rate also for people from GB, and that is 5%, and we'll call that VAT. Reduced rate, like that. So looking back at my cart, my sunglasses are attracting VAT at 20%, so they cost £100. VAT is £20, £120 total. If I change my country to United States, for example, checkout realizes I don't have to pay VAT because I'm not based in the UK. It's a UK-based sales tax, and that is removed. But let's put that back on for the moment. All right, let's look at one of my products now. So this is my product, Dazzling Digital Downloads, and I've decided that this is going to be a reduced rate product. So if I look at my general tab, and at the bottom we got some tax information. So if it wasn't taxable at all, you could set it to none, or if there's a tax class, you can change it from reduced rate or zero rate. Let's set that to reduced rate, update my product, and let's add it to my cart. I view my cart, and then we can see we've got two types of tax here. We've got VAT at 20% for the sunglasses and VAT at the reduced rate for my Dazzling Digital Downloads. So 5% of $19.97, $99.85. Proceed to the checkout. And again, if we change the location to a non-UK address, it removes that VAT. But what if the product is, like we said, children's clothes, for example? They don't attract sales tax. Let's go back in. Again, change that tax class to zero rate. update that. Now if we change our checkout back to UK, we're not paying that reduced rate of VAT. Go to our cart. Remove the sunglasses. No VAT at all. Go to checkout again. No VAT. So that's how you make your products either reduced rate or zero rate for sales tax, in my case in the UK for VAT. In my next video, I'll show you how you can make a customer VAT exempt or tax exempt.